Hello and welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today, we're going to show you how to make the best strawberry milkshake. It's easy, delicious, and perfect for a hot summer day. So, let's get started. Step 1. We'll need some fresh strawberries. Wash them thoroughly, remove the stem and leaves, and chop them into small pieces. Step 2. Add the strawberries to a blender. Step 3. Now, it's time to add some vanilla ice cream. You can use any brand you like, but we recommend using a high-quality, creamy vanilla ice cream for the best taste. Step 4. Pour in some milk. We suggest using whole milk for a richer, creamier texture. Step 5. Put the lid on the blender, and blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Step 6. Once the mixture is smooth, pour it into a tall glass. Step 7. Finally, add some whipped cream on top for that extra touch of decadence. And there you have it, the best strawberry milkshake you can make for your friends and family. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.